Hey, what's up, guys? What is up, fags? Let's get this shit rolling. Let's go on the hourly real quick. Yeah, this is what hourly was looking like. Around open. This little candle was like around here somewhere. It's 5 minute looking like. This candle right here, it was from CPI. We had CPI this morning. I'm not sure if it came out positive or negative. I don't really care to know right now, so I don't trade any news. I stay away from news, and it's honestly what you guys should be doing as well, just staying away from it. I'm not saying all of them, I guess, but I stay away from them. So let's get to it. 2 more candles, and then we'll have the open. Let's go ahead and play this shit. So right here, we already get the break of structure. We start making a downward structure right here. Start getting a market structural shift. Y'all can see it. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Start breaking it. Now we're starting to make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows. So we gotta close above the breakup structure. Awesome. We wait for the 2 to be created. So we didn't break this structure down here at the bottom. We ended up bouncing right off of it. Pretty awesome. So there's your 2 scenario. The higher low is established. Now we want to close above this one here. Boom, we can get a close right here. Now we'll just see how far this 3 goes. And today I wanted the price to come down here. Somewhere just around this area is where I wanted the price to come towards, around this 2 or below. Obviously didn't get that. Shit just kept storming away. So what I do now is just wait. So 30 minutes in, you have this many candles is 30 minutes. Each one of these candles is a one-time period. So it's already 30 minutes in. Still no trade. I'm okay with that. Okay, as you guys can see here again, we're starting to have almost the same little structure here. We start coming downwards, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, and then we start start having a market structural shift again. Start getting a higher high, higher low, and then we break the structure. So we got our close above. Let's see how far the 1 goes. There's your 1. Now what we're waiting is for a 2 scenario here. Now when we have the 2 scenario, we wait for a close above the 1. Down here, I put D-balls because we were having a break of structure here. Yeah, we were making higher lows, higher highs. I mean, higher highs and yeah, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. But we started changing structure here. But it was a smaller structure. Once we had this down here, if you go on the 5-minute, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Is it this? Let's go on the 15. Yeah, we ended up making a higher low here on a bigger time frame. So the higher low is established on bigger and smaller time frames. And then what we wait now is for a close above the one, which we got. This shit ended up storming all the way up here to these like 95s, 96s. So we finally get the top of the three. What I'm right here is when I drew this. I wanted us to. Let me show you guys where I got this swing from, anyways. So we got this swing here. And what's it called? I wanted to add more confirmation to this trade that I did miss, not gonna lie. So you guys know I like to aim for the 2 or lower. And then what also adds more confirmation to me is retracing back to a 50% of a previous swing for a pullback. So that's already 2 confirmations here. I didn't enter in because I wanted price to reach down here to at least the 50s. I'll show you guys how close we got right here. So I was waiting. Keep in mind, market opens at 13:30, so it's basically 8:30 a.m. for Central Time. Fuck. And it's already 15:48, so already almost 11 a.m. our time, guys. So and right here is where it just rages. Me personally, if I did catch the move, probably would have entered in on the break of this these 85s. And knowing me, I probably would have aimed for the very top of these, for the very top of the 3. The fuck is this song? Hold on, let me change this shit, fellas. I swear, these songs be kind of fucking gay sometimes. Which one y'all feeling? Which one y'all feeling, guys? Maybe this one because I got the flowers on it. Oh, of course, it's ad. Hey, no free promo. No free promo. Oh, fuck me. There's a whole another one. But yeah, I missed this trade here. I honestly probably would have I probably would have put my stop at break even at those 85.25s. So in a way, I'm kind of glad I didn't take this trade. Seeing this go almost a TP and it just coming right back down to where I was, to where I would have longed it. Probably would have low-key done some emotional damage, not gonna lie. Seeing us be that close up to the TP and just it coming right back down. Let me show you guys. Guarantee you I probably would have been stopped out. Let me see. Oh yeah, I mean it already tapped me out. Yeah, it should already tapped me out. Yeah, I would have been out regardless. But I mean eventually it does hit TP. It's just with me, I like to trail my stops, so. But y'all can see how just there was no setups today. Just a straight range. No setups today, bro. Just a straight range. We barely have any like breaks or structures. Barely any SBS. Yeah, see, we already hit the 3 right there. Finally hit it. Just wish we would have gone down here. I would have put my, if we had gotten these entry at the 51, at the 81.75s, I would have just put my stop down here at these 78s. Basically just a 3 and a what? That's 3 points, 3 and with the 3 tick stop loss. So almost 4 points. Yeah, that's, I would risk that shit any day. 4 points to get what? To get 10. Yeah, I'll risk that shit any day. That's a little above 2 to 1 right there. But yeah, I would have gotten it, guys. Would have been nice if we did, but fuck it. I didn't take no trade, so no money loss. But yeah, I showed you guys what happened, what I was looking for. Didn't get the pullback down here like I wanted to. We finally got a pullback, but just not where I wanted it to again specifically. But the play did hit. It did hit. Guaranteed you I would have gotten in like right here. This is what I was looking for. One thing I did notice was we did protect this higher low here. This higher low was protected. You can see we never broke it, so we just kept holding on to that upward trend, upward structure. You can even see it right here. Even this one was protected as well. We got higher low, higher high, higher low. We get a lower high here, but we still get a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Still get higher lows, and then we finally break the structure to the upside, continuing. We just keep continuing, yeah. Continuing to the upside. That was it for me. I'm not, again, not 100% if I was being too picky here, but I didn't take any trades today. Those are just a few notes that I did keep intact. I mean, that I did keep note of. Seeing is protected low, this higher low here. Maybe if I would have seen that, I probably would have gotten in, but something I got to back test to see if we have maybe like a higher probability of us shooting upwards if we make higher lows here. But that's it for me, guys. No trades today, like I said. So I'm doing pretty good so far on the week. Posting my stats on the week on my Instagram. You guys can check that out. We're doing great for a 50k eval. We'll see what tomorrow gives us. See you guys tomorrow.